So my husband ordered this online, Walmart delivery, and oh my gosh, I didn't even know this existed. So this is the Charmin Forever Roll kit. It comes with 2 giant rolls and a stainless steel holder. So we already opened it. Here's the size of the roll. They're huge. Oh my god, look at my hand. This is supposed to last you a month, this big roll. I don't think it's gonna last a month. I think it's gonna last like maybe 2 to 3 months because that's huge. And here it is. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. It is giant. What the heck? And it's actually like the good Charmin. It's not like cheap Charmin. Like, look, you can't even see you can barely see my hand. It's not like that transparent. It's pretty good. It's soft. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. This thing was, let me check the order online. Let me see how much it was. The kit is $34.97, so 35 bucks to start you off. And once you run out of toilet paper, they sell a refill, a 3-pack for $30. So we'll see how long this lasts. I'll update to see how long this lasts. I estimate 2 months. It says 1 month, but I think it's gonna last 2 months. We'll see. If you're interested in buying it, I have a link down below. Bye.